Hello guys, my name is Solo Sanchez. I'm a musician and I am putting my music on Spotify. I got the link for my latest song. Please check it out. So today I'm going to show you how to improve your audio for your Instagram live sessions. Remember, right now social media is so crowded. Everyone's online doing streams, going live. So you need to bring quality above average so people actually feel more connected to you. There's a psychology side of this, if something sounds nice, you will stay there longer and probably come back. So basically, there are two situations. One, the type of Instagram user that just speaks into their phone. They don't produce any content in their computer. They don't do podcasts. They don't do music. They just speak into their phones. So this is basically how Instagram was designed for, just to talk into the microphone of your phone. So this phone will be picking the sound of everything around you, and that's fine. That's the norm, especially if you're just walking around showing stuff and anywhere, whatever. It works. But what if you want to kick it up a notch? What if you want to bring sound that is processed through your computer? So this is the second example here. Musicians or podcaster. If you have a podcast, then you probably have a laptop or a mini home studio where you are recording your voice and you're processing, you're EQing, you're making the effects, and you are actually bringing out a professional sound. Musicians, you plug your guitar, you got your microphone, you got your DAW, you set it up, your sound as nice as you want with your reverb. And basically, what we want to do is exactly the same, but in this case, we want to bring a line here. This is going to my headphones output for my system. So this is so simple. We just want to go into the phone. Okay? You plug into your audio jack, your phone, and you will have your headphones button there to actually set your gain volume. But what if you have an iPhone? Things are not that simple because the iPhone only has one plug, and that is the Lightning connector. Here you plug to charge, but right there you also plug to use your headphones. This little guy is the first thing you're gonna need. This comes with the iPhone, okay? If you didn't know, maybe it's still inside the box. Go check your box. This should be in your box. So this is basically transforming this Lightning input into the jack. Okay? So if we grabbed this cable that it's the headphones out from my system here, and we plugged it in, this would not work. Okay? So this is the tricky part with the iPhone. Remember, to put it in the simplest ways, this is actually a two-way audio. You can speak into it and you can get audio out of it. So you can use a microphone and headphones. And you can also charge your phone from here. So basically, you need to get an additional cable. You see this? This is the type of input that needs to go into that little cable of the iPhone. TRRS. You can search online what that is. So you don't want to plug in this one. You see, it's got only two lines. This one's got three little lines there, or strips. Okay, this is the type of plug that would actually work into your phone. Okay, so if you're like me, I have this longer cable to reach, but it doesn't have that, then I bought this little guy here that will divide this into headphones and microphone. So I just plug into the microphone side, and now I go into this little iPhone cable. And this is the solution for bringing your studio sound into your phone, which you can use into Instagram Live. Another tip here is there's an app called Filmic Pro. If you see the one in the middle, Filmic Pro. I like using this app because I'm gonna plug right here at the moment, because it has a sound level metering down there. So if you can see there you can see there's a, you see the meter down there. So you plug into your phone like I just showed you, and you test, you're doing sound check, and you just make sure the sound is not clipping, it doesn't go red. So you do that by controlling the output knob on your headphones. Remember, we're coming out of the headphone output of your system. So you find the highest volume possible without clipping, and we're doing that with the aid of this app that actually shows up. It's showing the level of the sound down there. Okay, and once you found your perfect gain, that's it. You go into your Instagram, and you can actually go directly to your live, and you will be streaming through the sound of your mic, your professional mic, your system. Okay, this is the way to make better content than most people out there that are just speaking into their phone's microphone. Okay, so guys, I will leave a link for this little cables that you need to buy, and please remember, support here. I will leave a link also with my newest song on Spotify. If you like, please add it to a playlist, add it to your library. Thanks a lot. See you next time.
I'd like to take my time with you. This life is such a